Good afternoon everyone, it's Harley from Webber's Estate Agents in Great Torrington, here today just to give you a quick runaround tour of our latest property coming to auction on the 29th of November, finishing at 12 PM. It's for Hillcroft in Fiddlestock Stone, 2-bedroom bungalow, detached with a garage, plenty of parking, driveway heading out onto the road there. Lovely big front lawn here. Heading inside. Lovely big sitting room. Nice big windows letting in plenty of light. Through into the kitchen here. In need of modernisation, but certainly a good space to work with. And then to the rear, conservatory. Stepping out into the rear garden. Here we have the main bedroom. Again, nice big windows, plenty of light. Good sized double bedroom. Overlooking the front lawn again. Here we have the family bathroom. And finally through into the second bedroom. Built-in wardrobe cupboard in there. And again, views out onto the rear garden. Now, this auction is coming to a close on the 29th of November 2023 at 12 PM. If you're interested or have any questions, please do give the office a call on 0805 624 334. We'd love to show you this property.